Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Said Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. On this channel we teach about importation business, how you can start your own business with little or no capital. So if you're someone looking to start your own business, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and like this video too. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add your shipping address to this app. I don't want to waste much time here, so let's get right to the video.
So this is how you can add your shipping mark to the Xianyu app. Firstly, you need to create an account on the Xianyu app if you know you don't have an account. You can go back to our previous video to watch how you can create an account step by step. So right now, to add your shipping mark, you need to search any product of your choice. So right now, I'll be searching iPhone 13 Pro. You can even search any item of your choice. For me, I'm searching iPhone 13 Pro. And also, if you want to know how you can translate on this app too, kindly go back and watch our previous video on how to translate on this app. So I'm going to select this supplier. Selecting this supplier doesn't mean he's legit or he's not a scammer. Yes, I just want to show you how you can add your shipping mark to it. Now go ahead and click on buy now. After clicking on buy now, then you click on where the arrow is pointing at. Right now you see where the location sign is, the circled part. Click on it. The yellow part is whether you want to add a new shipping mark, and where the red part is whether you want to use your Taobao shipping mark to sign up on this app. So right now, since you're a beginner, let's select add new shipping mark. But if you're already having a Taobao account, you can just select Taobao and it will connect you with your Taobao account to the Xianyu app. And yes, this is where we will be adding our shipping mark to it. Yes, our phone number, our name, our postal. Because of this video, I translated it purposely for you guys to know. Yes, so firstly you type in your name, like the name you gave to your shipping company. The second one is phone number. Make sure you don't write your Nigeria, Ghana, Zambia or other country phone number unless the shipping company's phone number. The next one is region or country. This one you need to select China, where your shipping company, like their warehouse, is located in China. So here I just entered my name, like not my original name but the name I normally use to ship my goods. After entering my name, I'll just go ahead and select the country where my shipping company is located, then the city, then the streets. So here when you select the country, let's say China, it will tell you to select your city, your street and the number. Yes, we are almost there. So right now, after filling in your city, maybe your country, your city, the street number, and you still want them to know the specific location, click on the postal code where the arrow is pointing at. You see from this side, you can paste all the shipping address your shipping company gave you, or you can select a particular side. Maybe you want them to know the street name, the warehouse number, you can paste it there. So from here, you click on save and use address. That's where the arrow is pointing at. Congratulations, now your shipping mark is ready. So anytime you're about to place an order, this shipping mark will show there. And also, if you want to add a new shipping address or maybe shipping mark, you can click on the plus sign and add a new shipping mark. So this is how you can add your shipping address to this wonderful app. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can import on this app.
So this is how to add your shipping address. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to anyone who wants to start their own gadget importation business, whether in Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon or any country. And also you can let me know which tutorials you want me to work on for you guys. Yes, my name It's Sadie Saudekaba, and this is Business with SK. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.